Okay, y'all, today we are going to get into the anime fashion updates. There's quite a few updates that I'm excited about. And if you're not already subscribed to the newsletter, make sure you guys subscribe to the newsletter. It's link in bio in the description. Y'all know how to find it, okay? Yes. All right. First up, I have this fire feature brand that I just found on Instagram. They had these really cool patchwork Pokemon inspired jeans, which I really liked. It had like Cypher, or not Cypher on it. Who was on the jeans? Let me see. Whoever these Pokemon is. Who's the Pokemon that has the arms like this? That's Brown. Who's the Pokemon that has the little claws like this that looks like a giant roach? I only know the cute Pokemon. I'm sorry. But yes, he was on the pants. Meffy Man, welcome to the red side. Let me know how it is over here. She started the fight and I still won. Ooh! I mean, that's how it always is. That's how it always is. But yeah, so I found this brand. They also are a creator. I think he just makes like one-of-ones, which is really nice. His name is Denim Fish. He has 2 accounts, but I really liked his Pokemon inspired patchwork pants. He goes by the King of Patchwork, which I love patchwork. And then also he made these Piccolo inspired shorts, and the shorts are distressed, and from the distressed part you can see like Piccolo's like skin in the distressed part. So it's like you're wearing, it's like you're Piccolo wearing shorts. Does that make sense? He also did a Akatsuki cloud inspired vest. I know how a lot of people feel about Akatsuki clouds. They're like, oh, it's overdone. I'm sick of the Akatsuki print. I disagree. I think the Akatsuki print still can be fire, but you have to like reimagine it, reinvent it. And I think he did a really good job of it, where the clouds are different materials instead of them being that not the stereotypical, but the typical red and black. Instead, he had the patchworks of the clouds be different jean materials, which I love. And then his last piece that I really like, there's another piece that he has that is Dove Flamingo inspired, but I couldn't find it. But he also does a Chopper inspired patchwork denim vest as well. So go check him out. Denim Fish too. They also have another account, Denim Fish. So check that out. Check that out. So yeah. Now let's get into the drops. So Sora Clothing on Thursday dropped their Fire Force collection. If you use the code FIRE10, you do get a discount. They have a couple pieces. I want to say about like 6 pieces. They have a Company A inspired hat. They also have a Benny Maru hoodie. They have a compression top, an Inferno compression top. And then they have some pants. And then they have the Company 8 jacket, and then another version of the pants. The thing with Sora Clothing is their stuff is amazing. I just feel like right now, in the current moment, you know, they're... Oh, hold on. This Benny Maru hoodie is so clean. Yeah. So they have the mask that you can see right there, and it can be taken off. Sora really did their thing with this one. Sora really did I love Sora's hoodies. I think they make the best hoodies in the space. I'm sorry. I just wish they really took care of their shipping issue. Like, can y'all fix y'all communication and shipping issue? Y'all make some cool stuff, but operationally, y'all got some things y'all need to work on. That's why I don't be ordering from y'all. Oh my goodness, but the stuff be so nice. This hoodie is probably one of my favorite hoodies that they did, as well as their Reze bomb hoodie. Okay, Sora, just fix your shipping. Thank you. But yeah, they did their Fire Force collection, so if you guys are interested, it's available now. It is for pre-order, so if you do want to order from them, I'm warning y'all this right now. I'm not ordering from them because the wait is ridiculous. The wait with them is ridiculous. Okay, so do at your own risk. All right. How long? The thing is, we don't know how long. Typically, they say 2 months, but there's people that has been waiting longer than 2 months. All right, next we have Steady Hands. Steady Hands is doing a Apothecary Diaries collaboration. I believe this is drop 2. This actually drops today at 5 p.m. Eastern, right? I do like this collection. They have a really cool embroidery Mau Mau inspired hat. Hey, we was not the Cowboy Bebop. How we go back? Hold on now. Oh, okay, here's the collection right here. So they have like some cardigans inspired by Mau Mau. Oh, I like their Mau Mau inspired hoodie. It has cat ears because we know how Mau Mau is, our dog ears. I can't remember if she's like, I think it's a cat, but she always goes into her little cat mode. I need to rewatch it. I haven't watched it in a minute. But yeah, they have some tanks on there. I think the girlies are gonna really like this collection. It looks like there's a skirt. They have a crop sweater. They have a button-up, Mau Mau button-up. Lady Liwa, Cami, a Jinshi hoodie, and then they have like a scarf. So yeah, the Apothecary Diaries collection looks pretty cool. Then I don't even know why I'm showing this, but Godzilla in Home Game came out with this cool reversible bomber jacket. It sold out. I tried to by the time I was talking about it, it was up, and then when the newsletter was released, it sold out. So maybe get on their newsletter. This is a Japanese brand, so you know you gotta use a third party. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the deal. But look at this jacket. Isn't it nice? Like it's suede on the outside. Get this out of here. We can't see nothing. Holy moly. Suede on the outside. Very nice materials. Very nice materials. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much about it because it's sold out. But yeah, y'all go check it out. Y'all go check that out. But I think it's cool that it's reversible. It did go on pre-order January 9th, but it's sold out. It was like around $300. Also, Box Lunch did do a Studio Ghibli Spirited Away collection. I typically don't talk about Box Lunch because their quality isn't to my expectations. Yeah, their quality isn't to my expectations, so they do be having some slept on pieces, so I would say definitely check them out. I did put some pieces that I did like from the collection that I think is worth. Like, I feel like Box Lunch you just always gotta have in like your rotation and check to see what they have. They do be having some gems sometimes. I do think that this hoodie is so cute. Oh my, look at all these pop-ups. Come on. Holy moly. But this little the little suit people on the hoodie is so cute. It's like them embroidered, and you can see their little bodies like running around with the little sprinkles. I think that's so cute. So cute. Oh, and then there's a giant one at the top. Oh, it's so cute. You could probably, it's probably a pin that you could probably swap. And then they also had a cardigan that I thought was like, ooh, this cardigan is kind of clean. Hold on now. This jacket is pretty cool. I don't know. Haku on the back, I'm not really feeling. But yeah, there's some cute pieces on here. I would say check it out. There was also a calcifer dress. That's kind of cute. I really do like these crew necks. They remind me of University. I think those are nice, so I would say definitely check those out. There's some hats. There's a couple stuff in there. I mean, I think you can find some gems in there as well. And then of course we have the Nana and ADDIXY collaboration. We're still waiting for that to drop. It's probably going to drop in February 6th. So we're going to keep that on our list. Also, Mega Man and Results also dropped some button-ups for the guys. If you like some like button-ups, this is your thing. This is your thing. Yeah, nothing too crazy, just like some patterns. I do like the pattern of like the blueprint of Mega Man. Then we don't have any product photos of the watches, but Meister Watches is doing a collab with Demon Slayer. we don't know when it's dropping. It just says coming soon on the website. So if you like Demon Slayer and you like watches, I would say just go to their website and sign up for a newsletter so you could be, you know, aware of when it drops. Also, I'll be updating you guys, keep you updated of when it drops. So there's 2 ways to stay updated. Otaku Shop's Demon Slayer Part 2 collaboration was pushed back. Originally, I believe it was supposed to drop close to like this week, but it was pushed back. There's no date on it right now. It seemed like it was like Upper Moon inspired from the visuals, but Part 1, you could pre-order stuff from Part 1. So a part of Part 1 is this this sweatsuit set, and then also the Demon Slayer inspired compression shirt. I think people should go check out Part 1 because there's some cool stuff in Part 1. There's also like the Shinobu workout set. Part 1 was a really cool collection, so they brought everything back so you can pre-order it. But that's all the updates I have. There's a couple of updates that I didn't talk about because I just don't really support it as much. Also, Uniqlo announced a bunch of collaborations that they're gonna do with brands. Like I saw that they had a Gantz graphic tee, which I was like, that's pretty cool. And they're also doing another collab with JJK. But I just feel like their shirts are just like minimal effort, so I don't really like talking about them. But if you like Uniqlo, I would say definitely check them out. There goes my Uniqlo sponsorship. Also, DreamCon tickets are dropping today. I know a lot of people are like on top of DreamCon, want to know about DreamCon. They're dropping today at 7 p.m. Central Time, so make sure you guys be on top of that. Then I have a couple events that are happening. Tomorrow, I am doing the co-working closet Saturdays where we work on our digital closets. So get your closet together. Ooh, this was on the gifted recommendations. Yes, it was. I got one right by my job. Let me find out. I'm crying. So yeah, so tomorrow at 11 a.m. PST, we'll be doing digital closet. So if y'all want to, you know, I'll see you there. And then if you are in the Bay Area, SF Bay Area, if you are in SF Bay Area, on the 24th, I'm going to the manga museum. It's the last day that this exhibit will be at the museum, and we're gonna go for cosplay day, so we get to see that exhibit. I know it has like One Piece. I don't think the JoJo Bazaar is still there, but it still has like a bunch of other amazing manga art. And I'm pretty sure, I'm trying to confirm this, I'm pretty sure you get a free like blind box artwork piece of One Piece, like a One Piece panel. Japan exclusive. Also, the person that was stealing my content, we got one of them removed. I'm just waiting for the one on Instagram. Was actually very fast and efficient when removing. The TikTok one, I'm a little disappointed in. TikTok's usually a lot faster, but that person is just running rapid, just stealing everybody's videos. I'm like, dang, crazy. But I'm just waiting to confirm them, and then I'll get back to my posting schedule. Then we do got some Discord events. We got the Death Note watch party that's happening. We're on episode 10. We'll be watching 10 through 12. So go check that out. That will be Sunday, 6 p.m. PST. Then we also, this is a big one. This is a really big one if you want to win free stuff. On Sunday at 12 p.m. PST, I am doing a game show. I'm doing a game show in collaborations with All I Need Is Anime's trivia game. So winners of that will win stuff. So if you want to win stuff, I'm giving away some cool stuff. The winners will get to pick from my batch of stuff I'm giving away. Okay? And then also I'm doing a closet sale plus giveaways. So the stuff that I was given for free from brands, I'll be giving away. But the thing is, the active people in my Discord get first dibs. I know people in my Discord is like, you've been talking about this for what, 3 months now? I know, but I finally got everything listed, okay? I just got hit launch. I just got hit publish. But I'm also selling some stuff in my closet. So if you ever wanted to buy some pieces, I probably got something that you want, honestly. A lot of these pieces I'm selling I didn't even wear, which is kind of concerning and sad. So basically all the stuff that I bought that I didn't wear, or maybe wore once or twice, I'm reselling. And then all the stuff that I got from brands like Gifted and stuff, I'm giving away. I'm giving away. Because I want to get new stuff for my closet and I gotta get rid of stuff. So why not give back? But just remember, giveaway, my most active community members get first dibs. So it is what it is. Then speaking of All I Need Is Anime, they are having a sale. It's password protected. So if you want to take part in this sale, you have to use Fresh Start 26 to get into the password protected site. You can buy 2 shirts, get 1 free. You can buy one, get 1 free on all canvases. So if you like art, if you like shirts, check them out. That's where I got my anime blanket hoodie. Hi, Crazy. Welcome in. Harmony, welcome in. My volume's super low. Oh, no. Oh, no. Is the volume better? Is the volume better? Fresh 10. But here's the website. But he has really cool shirts. I have his shirts. I love his shirts. Great quality. But yeah, a lot of his stuff is on sale. So go check it out. I think if you like... Oh my god, get this out of here. If you like anime art and stuff, pop culture... Oh, this is where I got my Tokyo Revenger pin for my hat. So, oh, this power pin is so cute. I think I might get this one for my hat with the red ears. But yeah, check them out. And then, of course, I gotta put a shameless plug in there. If you need a digital closet, I'm your girl. I have it. But yeah, that's all the anime updates for this week. All the anime merch updates for this week. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and what you're looking forward to next week, and what you're looking forward to on the drop. Yeah.